Today we are going to discuss about errors in Python. When Python encounters an error, it typically stops the program and displays an error message, which will indicate the type of the error and the line number where the error has been occurred. There are three different types of errors: syntax errors, runtime errors, logical errors. Syntax errors. A syntax error occurs in Python when the interpreter is unable to parse the code due to the code violating Python language rules, such as inappropriate indentation, incorrect operator usage. Example, x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, print x is 10. Here, if x is equal to 10, where colon should be there. This colon is missed here, so it is syntax error. Runtime errors. In Python, a runtime error occurs when the program is executing and encounters an expected condition that prevents it from continuing. Runtime errors are also known as exceptions and can be occurred due to various reasons, such as division by 0, attempting to access an index that is out of range, calling a function that does not exist. Types of runtime errors: name error, type error, index error, attribute error. Name error. A name error in Python is raised when the interpreter encounters a variable or function name that it cannot find in a current scope. So this shows the example here. Def calculate sum of a comma b, total is equal to a plus b, return total. And x is equal to 5, y is equal to 10, z is equal to calculate underscore sum of x comma w, print of z. Here we have calculate underscore sum of x comma w, where x has been defined but w is not defined. This is called as name error. The second category of runtime error is type error. In Python, a type error is raised when an operation or function is applied to an object of an inappropriate type. Example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5, z is equal to x plus y, where x is treated as string here because we have given 10 within double quotes, and 5 is an integer. When we are trying to add the string and integer, we have this error message. Of runtime error is index error. An index error is raised in Python when we try to access an index of a sequence, such as a string or list, that is out of range. Example, my list is equal to 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Print my list of 5. Here we have 0 to 4 as the index, totally 5 elements. So if you are trying to print my list of 5, then this is out of range error. So the next category of runtime error is attribute error. In Python, an attribute error is raised when you try to access an attribute or method of an object that does not exist. My string is equal to hello world, my string dot reverse of. Here there is no attribute with the name reverse, so this is called as attribute error. So the third category of error is logical errors. A logical error occurs in Python when the code runs without any syntax or runtime errors but produce incorrect result due to flawed logic in the code. Example, def calculate factorial of n, result is equal to 1. For I in range of 1 comma n, result is equal to result star I, return result, print of calculate underscore factorial of 5. Here we need to calculate 1 star 2 star 3 star 4 star 5 because we have given 5 as a n value, so that 5 factorial should be printed, but up to 4 only it has been multiplied, so that we have the result as 24. So we have got result, but it is wrong. We call this type of error as logical errors. How to handle errors in Python? Here we can handle errors by using try except block in Python. Example, try x is equal to int of input of enter a number, y is equal to 10 slash x, print the result is y, except value error, where we can have one print statement, you must enter valid integer, except zero division error, where we can have another print statement, you cannot divide by 0. If user is giving input as string, then value error will be handled. If the user is giving 0 as the input, then zero division error will be handled and the corresponding error messages will be displayed.